Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a VM instance in Oracle Cloud. Let's get into it. First, log in and find the compute area. Open the main page, put in your account details, and click on the compute button, then select Instances. On the left side of the screen, choose the main folder section where you want your new computer to live, then click the big Launch Instance button. You need to get inside the building area of the website. You have to open this section so the computer can show you the setup form. Without this step, you would just be looking at your main page instead of starting up your new digital machine. Next, give it a name and choose the setup part. Next, you need to fill out the top part of the form by giving your computer a simple name and picking where it will live on the web. Click inside the name box and type a simple name, then pick your data zone area. Look at the image list and select the system software you want to run, like a standard free choice, and select the machine size under the shape box, because giving your computer a clear name keeps your workspace organized. Choosing the software and size tells the computer how much power it will have and what the screens will look like when you turn it on. It ensures that your new digital machine has the right foundation to handle your tasks. Next, set up your network and security key. Now you need to tell the computer how to connect to the internet and add a security lock so that only you can log into it. Scroll down to select your virtual cloud network and your subnet box, then look for the security key section. Choose the button to upload or paste your public SSH key block into the box on the screen. This setting builds a private internet pathway for your machine. Putting your security key into the box creates a lock so that strangers cannot sneak into your machine. And that's it. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.